Welcome to the Online Advantage Podcast, where I show you how to use digital marketing to dominate your industry. I'm your host, Laura Peters Avalos. I'm a practicing mindset coach, full-time travel blogger, and high-level marketing consultant. I find myself discussing business strategy and mindset more often than not, but when I'm not working on developing my business, you can find me exploring Colorado's amazing hiking trails or at our family cabin in northern Minnesota. I'll be showing up in your podcast feed every week with new tricks and strategies that you can implement to leverage your business to new heights. In today's episode, we will be discussing affiliate marketing, which will be the number one way that your travel blog will make money, especially when you're just starting out. The majority of our students make around 60 to 70% of their blogging income from affiliate marketing. So today's episode is pretty important. Now, just as a quick note, this episode is not only applicable to bloggers, but it's applicable to any business. If you own a business where you have your own product or service and you want to reach more people and you want to make more sales, you should consider creating an affiliate program. Without one, you are 100% leaving money on the table. Now, this could be a physical product or service, or it could be virtual. In general, affiliate marketing is applicable to nearly any business. Now, let's start with an introduction to affiliate marketing. That way, everyone will know exactly what I'm talking about as I go through this. I know it can be a little confusing. Affiliate marketing is when you promote or recommend a product or service to your audience that is not your own. So last summer, my sister and I, we were sitting out by the fire at my parents' cabin, and we were just talking about where she should go for her honeymoon. And I told her about French Polynesia. It's our favorite place in the entire world, and she didn't really know much about it, so I told her to Google it. And a few minutes later, she gasped really, really loudly, and she said, "Laura, oh my gosh, look. This is you and Mike." And she showed me her phone, and it was our blog as a search result on Google. And she said, "Did you know you were on Google? If I click on your blog post, will you make money from that?" And I said, "Well, yes, number one, I'm aware we're on Google. And to answer her question about us making money from her clicking, I just said, we will make a little money from you being on our website, just from ads. And then we can also make money if you click on any of the links where I talk about various tours or hotels or anything that's on our packing list. And if you book something through that link up to a certain amount of days, then we will make a commission from you spending money from the company, but at no extra cost to her. It would have cost her the same either way." Now, like I said, it could be a tour. And so for this example, I said, if you click on that whale watching tour, or you come back to it in the next 30 days and make a purchase, we will make 8% of whatever you spend on that site. Now, I thought that was a really great way to explain it. Now, affiliate marketing in general is a very common marketing strategy, and it's used by almost every business worldwide. It's a really great way to make sales without having to pay for marketing upfront. So you only pay for marketing when someone purchases your product or service, and that way your investment here, the investment risk, is just not there. There's no risk to it. Now, we really like affiliate marketing, of course, because it's a win-win-win for everyone. So it's a win for the reader because they are getting a recommendation for an excellent product. Now, I only recommend products or services that I believe in and know are high quality. Additionally, it's a win for the company because they are making a sale. And this is a company that we like and believe in. So of course, we want them to succeed as well. And then it's also a win for us too, because we are making commission from turning other people onto our very favorite products. So again, that's why it's a win-win-win. Now, whether you're a blogger or you own your own business and have your own product or service, you should consider using affiliate marketing. If you are running a business, reach out to the people in your space that have a lot of authority with this type of product or service that you're selling. So maybe you have a company about gardening, right? Reach out to the other gardeners out there that have a larger following than they do and ask if they want to be in your affiliate program to promote your product and service to their audience. They win because they will make commission from it. You win, you get to make sales, and your readers win because they are using your products, right? Or their readers, right? So that's how it works. Now, if you are a blogger and you want to use affiliate marketing to make money with your website, know that most companies have an affiliate program already that you can join. So typically the requirements to join these affiliate programs they're pretty relaxed. Usually you don't encounter programs where you have to prove you have a massive following in order to be accepted. Some programs, they actually just ask for your name and email address before accepting you. So it can be pretty easy to join, not too many questions and steps in order to join. Now, to find these programs, you would simply just go to Google and you'll type in the company name, and then you'll put in affiliate program after that company name. And in the search results, it should pop up as the first result if they have that kind of program. Now, remember, as I mentioned, most companies do have affiliate programs, the big ones that we know of, right? Now, the only company that I know of, a big one that doesn't have an affiliate program right now, is Airbnb. They did have one and then they took it away, which actually pissed off a lot of bloggers and other people. So if you are planning to have an affiliate program, I would think about longevity. I would keep it running. Otherwise, it can make people upset. Now, once you join these affiliate programs, it is time to start making money. Now, the question that I get asked all the time is, can I make money with affiliate marketing if I'm just starting out as a blogger? Maybe you just started your website, right? And the answer is maybe, but probably not a lot. I like to keep expectations in check. I'm very, very transparent about blogging, and I would never want to give someone false hope about what blogging is and isn't. Now, I hope that, other bloggers agree with me. However, I know there are other bloggers out there that would probably argue this point with me. But the truth is, if you do not have readers coming to your website or have some type of audience, it will be very difficult to earn money through affiliate marketing. Essentially, earning money with affiliate marketing as a blogger, it can come down to being a numbers game. A percentage of your readers will click on your recommendation, and then an even smaller percentage of those people will purchase something on that company's website. Therefore, the more readers that you have coming to those blog posts, the more likely you will make commission on a sale. It's simple math and statistics, right? Now, commission you receive from each company, it varies. It varies based on the product or service and the company itself. So for example, Amazon offers as little as 1% commission on goods and services. REI offers up to 5% on products or services. And REI's competitor, Backcountry, they offer up to 12% on various products or services. We're even part of some affiliate programs that offer up to 40% commission on products and services. So this changes greatly from program to program. No program is created equal. But let's shift here. Now that you have a general overview of affiliate marketing, I want to talk specifics. Most bloggers know about affiliate marketing, but very few of them know how to use it. They don't know exactly how to create a predictable and sustainable income from affiliate marketing. So I'm going to highlight 2 important mistakes that most bloggers make when it comes to affiliate marketing. Now, the first is choosing a keyword. Now, as bloggers, you need to know something called SEO. SEO, it stands for search engine optimization. If you don't know about SEO, you need to learn. It is a vital part of the success of your blog. It is also vital to the success of any business, even if you aren't a blogger. Now, when we use SEO to write blog posts, the first thing we do is identify a keyword to target. Now, a keyword is just a fancy way to say a blog post topic. That's all that means. Now, we need to write about specific topics that we know people are looking up on Google. Otherwise, we're writing blog posts for no one. No one will see it. Not only do you need to learn how to find keywords, but you also need to understand which keywords you should write about that will lead to affiliate sales. Basically, what are people looking up on Google that would lead to them spending money? Now, I'm going to give you 2 examples, and I'm going to explain why one keyword would be a better keyword for affiliate marketing compared to the other. So the very first keyword is things to do at Lake Tahoe. And the second keyword is hotels in Truckee, California. Which one of these keywords is most likely to lead to someone spending money? Which topic does the reader legitimately have the credit card out in their hand ready to buy something? So let's go over the keywords again. The first was things to do at Lake Tahoe. The second was hotels in Truckee, California. So while many people would argue that the first keyword would lead to someone spending money, we need to think objectively here. The person searching for the first keyword, things to do at Lake Tahoe, they're gathering information. They are not taking action. So while they might be open to spending money on some of these activities, many of them could be outdoor activities and do not require you to spend money. Now, if someone looks up hotels in Truckee, California, what do you think they want? They want a recommendation. If you target the keyword hotels in Truckee, California, and you do not include a recommendation for which hotel they should stay at, then you've completely ignored the intention of searching for this thing. And Google will probably not show your blog post to anybody because it doesn't satisfy what the reader is looking for. They're looking for a recommendation. If they're looking for that, give it to them or they will go elsewhere. All right. Now, the point here is if you're looking to increase your affiliate income, writing itinerary posts and road trip posts and best beaches posts, while fun and can bring traffic, probably are not going to garner a lot of affiliate income. Do your research, find keywords where someone has their credit card out and they're ready to spend money. Now, I should note that I do not recommend only writing affiliate posts. I think it can come back to really bite you in the butt in the future. You should certainly write posts that don't have the intention of selling to your audience or including a bunch of affiliate links. Why? Because we shouldn't only write affiliate posts based on the fact that people are going to look for information as well. If they can only find affiliate posts and affiliate products on your website, they can't go very far in finding information for themselves. Not to mention, Google pays attention to this. They recently came out with an update to their algorithm that punishes websites that only focus on affiliate marketing posts with the intention to sell. But when you do write affiliate posts, make sure that they're really high quality so that you rank among the top on Google and earn money from it. Now, the second thing that people struggle with when it comes to affiliate marketing is sounding too salesy. As I mentioned before, we don't only want to write affiliate marketing posts, but sometimes it can be like pulling teeth to get bloggers to write affiliate posts at all. And putting their link out there, God forbid, right? I found that a lot of people do not like to feel salesy. Of course, we don't want to feel salesy. They feel scummy, maybe inauthentic. I used to feel this way too, until I realized that these were just my money blocks. They were my money blocks that were stopping me from writing really high quality and helpful affiliate posts for my readers. Now, the truth is, if someone is looking up an affiliate keyword like hotels in Truckee, California, it means they want you to give them suggestions. They want you to help them make the decision and make it easy for them. People hate to make decisions, especially decisions that they don't know anything about or feel confident with. So give them your opinion. They want your opinion, or at least someone's opinion. Otherwise, they wouldn't be looking it up on Google. Not to mention, if you don't write about certain things because, you're afraid of sounding salesy, then someone else will write about it and they will make the money. So the choice is yours. Do you want to remain stagnant with your blogging income, or do you want to help other people make educated decisions on their purchases using products and services that you love? Now, I have a couple of tips for you. Number one, work out those blocks. Why do you feel like you can't include your affiliate links in your posts without feeling scummy? Why do you feel like you can't write about these things without feeling scummy? Why do you feel inauthentic for recommending products or services that you know are high quality? Has this feeling come up for you in the past? Maybe you have been scammed by someone before and it still haunts you. Whatever it is, work it out. Don't let this hold you back from doing things that'll move your business forward. The next tip is to put your link out there for your readers to find. I cannot tell you how many times I've done site audits for students in our program, Scale Your Travel Blog, and our small business SEO packages. And I have been actively looking for affiliate links, or at least links to their products or services if it's a small business. And I haven't been able to find them. So if I can't find them when I'm actively looking for them, your readers won't be able to find them either. So make sure your links, they stand out. Make sure you call attention to them. This will increase your conversion rate and help you earn much more predictable income from affiliate marketing. Okay, so I hope these tips were helpful for you. I hope you found this video to be a great overview of what you can expect with affiliate marketing as a blogger. I'm going to be highlighting other affiliate marketing tricks and tactics in other episodes, and I'm even going to bring on some students of Scale Your Travel Blog who have seen immense success from affiliate marketing so that you can hear about their strategies too. Now, if you found this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel. Additionally, if you want more blogging tips, more blogging information, I run a free live workshop every week. You can find the link in the description below, and we dive deeper into topics around travel blogging, very similar to how I just did it in this video. From there, you can decide if you want to join us inside of our program, Scale Your Travel Blog. It is the #1 travel blogging program out there for people looking to start, grow, and scale their websites into predictable income. Thanks so much. I'll see you in the next episode.